I have my special guest with me again.
Bright and early.
Teach is here by popular demand. There's a huge community yard sale. 35 houses participating.
Wow. Okay.
But it's like 30 minutes away. Or there's like a couple yard sales we could hit up, but they're like, what if they're duds and then you just end up going home? So I say we go to the big one.
I vote while gas is cheap, go for the one that's 35 houses.
Okay. Ooh. Good morning. Hi. Oh, you watch? Oh my gosh. Really? It's like I cringe. But thank you. Yes, you'll be in it. Tune in this week if you're okay with that. I always try to blur out if anyone's uncomfortable, but you're so sweet. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Here, Teach, will you be my holder?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, these are cool. Do you want this? Tiger tie?
You know, I think I'm okay on the tiger ties. Post 3D. What's going on?
Oh my gosh.
Remember the jingle? You remember that jingle?
I do.
Jingle.
There you go. You hold this too.
Okay.
We finally found the stuff we need. Yeah, we finally found what we needed. So they don't know, well, they're like us. What?
I don't know how much the shoes are, so we'll kind of, he'll just let us
I
know.
just took a tip from your audience. Grab a bag.
Yes!
Fill that bag up.
Honestly.
Thanks in the comments.
What's the channel? Home?
Oh, yeah.
Hustle Home.
Yeah, sorry. I deeply apologize that you're gonna look that up. It's embarrassing. It started as like an experiment and then it just got out of control.
Plus, at least you got a new subscriber right
Yeah, that's well worth it.
I like to play my video games and watch.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Do you resell?
I do. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Oh, no way. Oh, that's awesome. This is your. I'll take it off your hands. This is great. No.
Those are Patagonias on the bottom.
Oh, nice.
In fact.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll get 15. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
You're very thorough.
I gotta be. Can't miss a thing.
This is why you
Sorry.
are good at this and I'm not.
Okay. All right, I think that's it.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. There's a dollar bin.
What?
Oh yeah. He'll come out and then we'll let you know. Okay. Okay.
I think on the sign, you just, yeah, you guys can.
Yeah, because everybody has different stuff, but I'm not good with it.
I got a bunch of hats. Oh, I have this other
So that's
fall.
what, 25?
Yeah.
25. Hats are just like $2.
Okay. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7. Oh, but these are 5 and 3 each. So if you want to like hang on to those, so I don't want to miss them. So we're at 42. How much for like the clothes that weren't marked?
I know.
You just $2 on that yellow one.
Okay.
Is that the Snorlax hoodie or how much for these ones?
$2 each. I'll do 5 on all. What are
Okay,
these?
great. So, okay, so 5 for each. Okay, so can we round it to 100
that's
for everything?
fine.
Okay, perfect.
Did
Okay,
you Venmo?
yeah.
Yeah, we
Okay, great.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Got it. All right.
All right, thank you so much. This guy was super cool. He, like, I don't know, I guess watched my channel or whatever. He and his son, I think, are also resellers. So this was kind of their death pile yard sale. And they had a ton of great stuff and I went through everything and I think I found some real gems. So first off, I got a ton of snapbacks. I picked up snapbacks not knowing snapbacks super well. But I know Harley is good, I know Napa Racing is good, I know Carhartt's good, so got a couple of those, another Harley. This brand called Carrots, this little like cap here. This actually sells for like 25 bucks. Another Nike Air hat, Nike. And then this is a brand called Tilly. It's like a bucket cap. And Comps are like $35 to $40 for this hat.
Nice.
So I have 10 snapbacks that if they sell for 20 bucks, 25 bucks each, that's like $250 right there. These are the Saucony Everrun. We love Saucony. Some Hoka's that do need some cleaning. They are in rough shape, but he only charged me like 5 bucks per pair of shoes, so whatever.
Was Hoka sell for brand new?
Even brand new, so I have a pair of Hoka Bondi X. I love them. Those were $200 retail. These should, I think these will be like 40 bucks.
Okay.
Right here, even worn like this. Some Nike Flywire. These had a cool thing on the bottom. These are like another $40. I have sold these before. These are climbing shoes, Stealth C4. And they sold pretty quickly for like 40 bucks. So I think that's what these will sell for as well. A pair of FootJoys. These are in really clean condition. FootJoy golf shoes, some Tevas. I love selling Tevas, they sell great. Also got some clothes, Nike Golf, half zip, pullover. I love selling Nike Golf, like windbreakers like this. And it's in really clean condition. I didn't really look up comps on this because I just like picking up hiking backpacks. It might be a hydration pack with no bladder in it. But whenever I've sold these in the past, they've sold for a lot. So I'm hoping at least $25. Another Nike SB. This is just like a regular crew neck. I loved the multicolor. Yeah, this is like probably 25 bucks. The brand is Odd Future Wolfgang them all.
Okay, positive.
I don't know if I can say the name of it on YouTube without whatever, so I'm just gonna show you. And this is kind of coming off a little bit. I might actually be able to like get that back on. I do have like this stuff that you sprinkle on and can iron over things to like glue them back together, so I might do that real quick. But when I looked up comps, they seemed kind of crazy for this brand. I don't know if it's just like streetwear or Supreme style or something.
Looks like a Simpsons jacket.
It looks like a donut. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to do more research on this. Nike Air long sleeve. I just love picking up Nike. It's got the spell out on the sleeve. This should do great. Some Patagonia full length leggings. These are extra small. This should be another 20 bucks, 25. Just Do It Later. And that's a Snorlax, I believe, on the swoosh. When I looked up comps for this, even pre-owned, like it was around $35. So I don't know if this will actually sell for that, but it's funny.
Is that Nike?
I don't think this is Nike, no. This is like
a tag.
This is Gildan. It says Gildan. So this is not Nike. This is just like a funny graphic
I wonder
tee.
how they can do that.
Actually, it's a good point. How do they get around the trademark? Yeah. Whatever. Maybe because it's like, well, I don't know.
The Snorlax.
I don't know. This is like a Kavu bag. It's brand new with tags. It's like a rope sling, a quiver style bag. Paid 5 bucks for it, but I think this will sell for like $40 or $50. Polo Sport, Ralph Lauren. I think this is vintage. Love that. And like a vintage Tommy Hilfiger backpack. I thought these were cool. They were just $1 each. And so I think they'll sell for at least 20 or 25 each. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Is it, can I look back there?
No, it's just.
Oh,
yeah, no,
I'm
that's
sorry.
fine.
Oh, okay.
We put everything inside because of the rain.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm gone.
Yeah, it's just stuff on the tables and.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I was like, wait, why have it all hanging up if it's just, it's not for sale? Cool bags. Cool. I don't see a tag on these.
How much for, these didn't have a color on them.
Oh, they did.
Did it blow off?
It blew away.
Yeah.
Would you go 5 each on those?
Yeah, it's been sitting around for a couple of years at least, so sure.
You want those for 10, Ash?
Yeah, that's great. Thank
Okay.
you. Okay, we'll keep looking. These are some Merrell shoes. I got these from that guy with the camelback as well. So I got both of these, the camelback and the Merrell shoes. Teach helped me negotiate. So I paid $10 total. The camelback should be like at least 35, and then the Merrell's another 35 to 40. Good morning. Teach, would you be my holder?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is two bucks an item.
Okay, cool.
Well, that's pretty.
Okay, sorry. Can you help me get one of these pencils?
Oh, sure.
Boots are 5 and they come with belts, so those are.
You want to do 5 on the
Yeah.
boots?
Yeah, it works. Yeah.
Okay, so 7 then. Do you have 7?
Yeah. How much for the Xbox?
The who?
The Xbox in here?
Oh, I didn't know there was an Xbox in there, sorry.
Yeah, oh, you're good.
I just took the thing out. That's my son, so that's not
He might not like that.
No.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Sorry, I did not know that thing was in there.
It's all good. I knew when I saw this that this had to be something cool. And when I looked up comps, they were like $80. New is well over 100. I'm not sure what it means, but you see the Jumpman, Paris, some kind of collab. So yeah, this was great. And if you're ever curious on how to look up Nike, if you just go on the tag and look under, just look up the letters and the numbers that you see with the dash below the size, and that will tell you exactly what it is. So I spent $7 at that yard sale and I got these 6X toe Wild West boots, and they have like a matching belt to go with it, which is amazing. I don't know that this is the same brand of belt. The belt is white diamonds, but made in Mexico. These, okay, comps are like everywhere, but I see comps for this style of boot around $300. So I'm gonna list them at like 150 or 200, maybe 200. Whenever I don't know comps or they're all over the place, I price it high and let it fly. So, but yeah, these are crazy. I paid $5. Okay. Good morning.
Hello.
How are you?
Ooh, oh, good, how are you? Fine.
Big turnout?
A little bit.
Yeah.
More than I thought.
That's good.
Is this included in like the neighborhood yard sale? Oh, so it's all around here? Oh, okay. That's fun.
Those are real.
Yeah, they look great. How much were you wanting for the purses?
The pink one's 40, that one's 20.
Okay. I'll do that. Okay, so 60 for the purses. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great, thanks.
Enjoy.
What is this thing?
Next up are these purses. I don't always pick up Michael Kors, but this looked to be in pristine condition. Like, it doesn't look used at all. This is the Michael Kors Nouveau Hamilton Satchel. I believe this is a $400 bag retail, and resale looks to be at least 150 to 200. I did pay $40 for this, but I think it was well worth it. I think it'll sell quickly. And it has the crossbody strap with it, which is great. So this should sell, I'm gonna list this for around $200 and see what offers roll in. Okay, and then this was $20. This is the Coach Edie Turn Lock bag. Coach, for me, only sells when it's like newer, and this is like a newer style. So it's got the dual, I've sold the Edie before very quickly. It sells fast. Listings on eBay are around $120, so I think that's about what I'll be able to sell it for. And again, I paid $20 for this bag, which I think was a really good investment, so worth it.
Yep. Okay.
We'll have to get one of those for crew again.
One day.
No, you're fine.
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, do you?
Is this a diaper bag?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
This is in pretty good condition. Yeah. How much for the bag?
3?
Sure. That's good.
No, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All our treasures. It's like $100 diaper bag.
It is?
Yeah. At this garage sale, there was like nothing, right? But this diaper bag looked really nice, and I've sold super fancy diaper bags for hundreds of dollars in the past.
Well, and it was flipped over, so no one...
It was flipped over, yeah, it kind of knocked over like that, but I was like, ooh, leather. I thought at first it was gonna be like a fawn design bag, which is really popular here. But no, it's an itsy ritzy diaper backpack, and comps, once I kind of get this wiped down, it looked pretty clean. Comps are around $100. I paid $3 for this bag, and it'll sell for probably $100. So
We used our change from the other garage sale.
we did. So yeah, really good flip
This
there.
bag.
Close or far away?
Would you guys do 100 if I got all three of these? Okay.
Absolutely.
Great, thank you. Okay. Do you guys take Venmo?
Yeah.
Or actually, no, I have cash. Hold on. I think I'm good.
We do Venmo too. Would really like to save up for NFT business.
Oh, yep.
We're moving too,
I get
so
it.
It's like we also want to get rid of stuff before we move.
I totally get it. Awesome. You got that for me to teach this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Oh, that'd be great. Yes, thank you.
Thanks a lot, you guys.
Yep.
I paid $100 for all of this here. This comes with the PlayStation 3 and all of these minifigs. She put everything in there. She said it worked great. The only comp I really see on eBay is listed for $300 for this alone, and it's in Canada and shipping is super expensive. So I'm gonna try listing it at $300 and see what happens. I don't know, but yeah, so that already covers my cost for everything. And then these Lego Dimension packs, I think they'll sell for maybe 30 bucks and then $20. So that's another 50. And this Disney Infinity game can just go with this together. So that's like $350. I think that's worth it.
Meh.
It's not good.
I would offer 50.
I know, I should have, okay. Maybe I paid a little bit too much for these, but look, it's summertime. My kids want to test it out and play them, so I kind of wanted it for the kids for summer, and then I thought maybe I could sell it later after we've kind of played with it a little bit. So that was kind of my thinking. Maybe I should have offered less, but whatever, you guys know how I roll. I want to give people what they're asking because I don't want them to find my channel later and then like yell at me and leave a mean comment. So there we go. Okay, so I spent about $280 on everything, and I think it'll all resell based on like the comps I was giving you guys. Ready?
Yeah.
$1,835.
Wow, it's more than I thought.
Yeah.
Cool.
Not too shabby for.
Yeah, it's good.
That probably leaves me with like a net profit of at least $1,000, right? But that does it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And subscribe to my channel if you want all kinds of content about finding things to sell online. Thanks again, you guys. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.